Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this BMW 3 Series Coupe. It's a 2008, so let's see. Onto telephone. Telephone there, corresponding with that button there. Activate or pair telephone. Search Bluetooth. I'll go on to Bluetooth. It's showing John's phone there. I want to delete that. So delete John's phone, yes. That's it. That's as simple as it is deleting. So if you buy the car and or buy another car and it's loaded up with the previous owner's telephones, you buy a new phone. That's how you delete it. So again, I'll just go back and show you again. So from, let's say, from CD. So from anywhere into menu. You see there, telephone, computer, config, BMW. So click telephone there, searching for paired devices. There isn't any, or shouldn't be, but anyway. So into BT, you've got there BT devices, previous owners, HTC wildfire, delete, and then you've got to confirm, yes is there, no is there, yes. That's it done.